This is going to be a brief tutorial on how you can use the Smart Life app. Once you load up the app, the first thing that is going to ask you is to sign into your account. If you don't have an account, you can either use a guest account or create one on the spot. Now here, the home screen is going to look like this. Currently, it's going to be empty, but you can edit the gadgets from the home screen by clicking on edit and then adding cart, and here choosing what you want to have access to from within the home screen. So for example, if I want to add Cozy Home, then I can do so by clicking on it and then selecting finish. Okay, so how can we use this app? In order to use this app, you will need to click on the plus sign in the top right and then add a device. The first thing that you need to do is turn on Wi-Fi and also your Bluetooth connection here. Once you have both enabled and connected to the same Wi-Fi devices, then here it should automatically detect them and let you select whichever device you want to use with this Smart Life app. If you can't do it, then you have the option of connecting them manually by clicking the type of appliance which you are trying to connect, then selecting go, and here following the prompts which it gives you for that specific device. You can also create separate scenes here. So if, for example, if you want to make your entire room red, then here you have the option of creating separate scenes. In order to do that, it really depends on what you would like. You have the option of scheduling when the weather changes, when locations change. So here you can customize this to your liking. If we click on add favorite cards here, again, like I said, it is gonna add them to the home screen, and you have the option of scanning QR codes for your devices. Once you click on Smart here, it's gonna take you to the create a scene page. Again, I showed you again from the top right corner, you can access this, and you have the option of creating automations, which are gonna be automated scenes. If you need help with any of these features, you can just go and contact the AI assistant here, and it is gonna answer all of your queries. And in the last section, you will be able to access your account information here. So that's basically a very quick overview of Smart Life. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.